the world over, we have well over 4 billion people, and the Facebook is just like the sky that has birds flying, and will never collide with each other. So the Facebook is wide enough to help everyone earn income. Do you have a Facebook account? I mean the official professional Facebook account. If you have not, please have Facebook account opened in your name, because you can earn income from it, and then turn all your friends, family and colleagues to follow us. And if you're a Nigerian with 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes of watch hour, of watch time, you start earning income from Facebook. Now, this is a platform, like I said before, that is big and wide enough for everyone to be part of. The same thing with the YouTube. The YouTube was initially, initiated as an online video sharing platforms, and then it was worked upon and it became a global thing that everyone the world over can be part of or participate in and also earn income from. With the YouTube, it's about you as a person projecting yourself, irrespective of your color, race, jurisdiction, belief system, or environment. Come online and earn income. If you're a professional person, you're an educationist, you're into fashion and lifestyle, or you're into kitchen, you're into whatever profession, you can come on the YouTube, which is all about you projecting yourself on the online space, and you sure earn income from that. Entertainment, food, agriculture, politics, governance, environment, different thing. Come online and start earning income. And don't ever think that the YouTube is for a few people. If few people can be earning from YouTube and even make it as a full-time source of income, you too watching me right now can earn from YouTube. Think about it and have a change of mind. If you are into a 9-to-5 job, have another stream of income that will enable you earn extra income for yourself. And this you can achieve from the YouTube. This you can achieve from the Facebook and other social media platforms, even Instagram. And if you want more of these, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share my videos with everyone in your timeline and your contacts, and you sure be happy you did. And please don't be discouraged and don't feel, well, I'll do it another time. Now is the best time to open your YouTube channel. Now is the best time to have your own professional Facebook account and you start earning income. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.